Good morning, my dear students. This is part 4 of chapter 5, fractions. We shall continue with equivalent fractions. Exercise: find the equivalent fraction of 48 by 72 with denominator 9 and numerator 8. This means you have to make the denominator 9 and numerator 8 and then see what will be the look of the equivalent fraction. How to solve this? I am showing you. Number 1, we have to make a denominator 9 of the fraction 48 by 72. How can we make the denominator 9 of 72? 72 is denominator. So if we divide 72 by 8, we get 9. As we have divided the denominator by 8, we have to divide the numerator also by 8. So, if we divide 48 by 8 and 72 by 8, we get 6 by 9. So, the equivalent fraction of 48 by 72 with denominator 9 is 6 by 9. In the next question, we have to make the numerator 8 of the fraction 48 by 72. So if we divide 48 by 6, then the numerator will be 8. As we have divided the numerator by 6, we have to divide the denominator also by 6. If we divide denominator 72 by 6, we get 12, and if we divide the numerator 48 by 6, we get 8. Therefore, one equivalent fraction of 48 by 72 is 8 by 12. Therefore, 6 by 9 and 8 by 12 are equivalent fractions of 48 by 72. Checking if fractions given are equivalent or not, we have to do the cross multiplication method. So, if the product of numerator of the first fraction and denominator of the second fraction is equal. Now we shall solve some questions from exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Write a fraction equivalent to 6 by 7 with numerator 18. So we have to make the numerator 6 18. For that, we have to multiply 6 by 3. Then only it will be 18. As we have multiplied 6 by 3, then we have to multiply the denominator also by 3. So denominator is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. Therefore, the equivalent fraction of 6 by 7 with numerator 18 is 18 by 21. Question number 3. Write 5 equivalent factors of 12 by 36. As I mentioned in the class earlier, we can divide or multiply with same number both numerator and denominator. Example number 2, 3 by 5 and 7 by 11. So the arrow mark I have given, you have to multiply the quantities 3 into 11 and 5 into 7. 3 into 11 is 33, 5 into 7 is 35. 33 is not equal to 35, therefore 3 by 5 and 7 by 11 are not equivalent fractions. Simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in its simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. The lowest term of a fraction can be obtained by dividing both numerator and denominator by their HCF. So exercise, reduce the following fractions into their lowest terms. 48 by 72. What you have to do? You have to find the HCF of 48 and 72. In the right hand side, I have done some rough work. I factorize the 48 and 72 and find the HCF, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 24. Now this HCF we have to divide both numerator and denominator. So 48 by 24 and 72 by 24 is 2 by 3. If we divide 48 by 24, we get 2. If we divide 72 by 24, we get 3. Or you can do, you write all the factors of the numbers. I have written 48 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and as denominator I have written the factors of 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you can cancel out the common factors of numerator and denominator. So you can see after cancellation I am left out with 2 as numerator and 3 as denominator. So you have to write the left out factors and you get the reduced form of the fraction. Question number 2, 24 by 108, we have to reduce this fraction. In the right hand side, you can see I have done some rough work. I use the division method to find the HCF of 24 and 108, and I get it to be 12. 12 is the HCF of 24 and 108. So I shall divide 24 and 108 by the HCF 12. I get 2 by 9. Or what I can do, I have found the factors of 24 and 108. For 24, I get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And for 108, I get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So as a numerator, in place of 24, I write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and as denominator, in place of 108, I write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. I have cancelled out the common terms from numerator and denominator. You can see that after cancelling out, the numerator is left out with 2 and the denominator is left out with 3 into 3. Therefore, the reduced term of 24 by 108 is 2 by 9. Now we shall solve some questions from exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Write a fraction equivalent to 6 by 7 with numerator 18. So we have to make the numerator 6, 18. For that, we have to multiply 6 by 3. Then only it will be 18. As we have multiplied 6 by 3, then we have to multiply the denominator also by 3. So denominator is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. Therefore, the equivalent fraction of 6 by 7 with numerator 18 is 18 by 21. Question number 3. Write 5 equivalent factors of 12 by 36. as I mentioned in the class earlier, we can divide or multiply with same number both numerator and denominator. So as I have told you, I can divide or multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number to find its equivalent fractions. So if I divide 12 by 36 by 2, both the numerator and denominator, I get 6 by 18. Then I shall try to divide 12 by 36 by 6, both the numerator and denominator, I get 2 by 6. Then I divide 12 by 36 by 12, I get 1 by 3. Then I divide 12 by 36 by 3, I get 4 by 12. Then next I have multiplied 12 by 36 by 2, I get 24 by 72. So in that way, I have got the 5 equivalent fractions of 12 by 36. Question number 4, fill in the blanks. 3 by 5 equal to 18 by 1 blank space. We have to fill it up. So 3 becomes 18. If I multiply 3 by 6, it becomes 18. The same way, I have to multiply the denominator 5 by 6. That will make it 30. So in the blank, it will be 30. Question number 2, 45 by 36 equal to blank space by 4. 36, the denominator has become 4. So if I divide 36 by 9, it will become 4. So 49 we have to divide by 9 only. So it will be 5. Therefore 45 by 9 divided by 36 by 9, we get 5 by 4. 5 in the blank space. Question number 5. Convert the following fractions into their lowest terms. I have taught you how to do this. Again, I am doing from question number 5 of exercise of 5.3. 72 by 20. So I have found the factors of 72. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The same way I have found the factors of 20. 2 into 2 into 5. So in place of numerator 72, I have written the factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And in place of 20, I have written 2 into 2 into 5. If I cancel out the common factors from both numerator and denominator, the left out terms will be 2 into 3 into 3 divided by 5, that is 18 by 5. Question number 6. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. Number 2, 4 by 7 and 12 by 14. Here I have used the cross multiplication method. 4 into 14, comma 7 into 12. 4 into 14 is 56. 7 into 12 is 84. 56 and 84 are not equal. So 4 by 7 and 12 by 14 are not equivalent fractions. You do classwork from exercise 5.3, question number 1 and question number 4. And homework, question number 5 and question number 6, I have given the numbers which you have to do. This is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead.